how I made over 5,200 euro in 3 days with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now in this video, I'm going to be very short. It's going to be 5-minute long video, but to the point, so you can see and understand exactly how you can get this kind of results, as you can see here on my screen, right, yourself. Now, why I'm using Google Ads, again, I'm going to show you here. So first of all, right, what you have to understand with Google pay-per-click ads is this. It's all about buyer's intent. What I mean by that, people go on Google search to look for solutions to their pains and problems, right? I'm sure you did that yourself. So they get educated or to buy the product, right? Nothing else, nothing more. Now, what is very important is that on Google, there is 3 billion people, just like Facebook and YouTube, right? On Google, there is 3 billion people every day glued to their phone, searching on the phone, right? Looking for the solution to buy products. Now, you could be one of them posting the ads on Google pay-per-click ads and making money, making sales. So why don't you, right? Okay, maybe you tried all the things before. Maybe you tried affiliate marketing with someone else. Maybe you tried buying courses. And I know how it feels because I used to be there. I used to buy courses and I never made any money. And the reason why I realized one day why I wasn't making good money is because I didn't have mentorship one-on-one. I didn't have support, someone who helped me, hand-holding me along the way, show me over the Zoom call how the ads actually work, how are set up, helping me. Then I got to my first $1,000 days. I realized, heck, this is what I was missing because I was too scared to get a mentor or coach, someone who's gonna show me exactly how things are done, right? So buyer's intent, number one secret on Google Ads, they are buyers, right? So there are lots of buyers. Now you could, in next 45 minutes, set up text ad without showing your face, nothing, your name. One simple funnel, one page, one blog page, and have in next 45 minutes first sale on ClickBank. How I know this works? Because I did it myself. Okay, once the ad is active, it's running, you're gonna have impressions, eyeballs on your ads, right? This is similar like having a Starbucks coffee shop. People are coming in, but this coffee shop you own is online. So this is your website. And people are 24/7 while you sleep. Australia, America, if you're in Europe, or if you're in India, if you're I don't know where, Australia, in US, Canada, they are buying, right? Don't believe me, don't take my word for it. Go and Google how many people are buying, how the e-commerce is growing after COVID, right? People are glued. You go on train, you go to metro, you see everyone is on their phones. So why not take opportunity to make money for yourself? As you can see over here, look, because of affiliate marketing, I was able to travel all around the world, every continent, Africa, right? Europe, Australia, Asia, right? Everywhere. And why? Because of affiliate marketing, because I took action, because I wasn't afraid, right? I remember the time I didn't have money, I borrowed the money to make it happen, right? Because I knew if I don't do anything, what is my alternative job? 9 to 5, having a boss telling you what to do, that you're not worth it, right? And you have no excuse. It's very simple and easy. Why? Because we are in 2024. Every information is online available. You have people trying to help you, right? But you have to take action. You have to have someone who's gonna help you personally, okay? Now, if you wanna make $10,000 per month, do the math. You can make one sale for $100 a day, 3 sales for $100 a day, and you have how much? $300 a day. That's over $9,000 per month. If you're making $150 per sale or $200 per sale, you need only 2 sales. You're making over $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 per month. Okay, it's not a rocket science. Again, on Facebook and Google, in this case, are 3 billion people. And on Google, we have 100,000 employees around the world helping you for free. Right? Google is free. You just go on Google and pay for ads. But you need to have someone show what kind of ads to use, what kind of psychology to use, because AI voices, AI tools are scams. They're not going to help you, okay? It's about understanding humans on a deeper level and knowing how marketing and messaging works. Once you have that, yeah, then you can do well. Okay, so if you're watching this video, if you knew how to make money online, you would have already done it, but you don't, right? And the reason you don't know how to make it is not because it's your fault. It's not your fault, but you tried all these things. You bought different courses in the past. You bought many different things that didn't work out. You didn't have personal support. Maybe you tried eBay, MLM, Amazon. You tried AI stuff. It didn't work out. And the reason why is because you didn't have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you over the Zoom call, Skype call, show exactly how things are done. But you need to have a courage. And it would be a shame if you couldn't make money online because you didn't have courage to take action and have someone help you personally, okay? So what you can do next, as you watch this video, if you really want to get results, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, links to my Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp number. Yes, I'm taking personal calls. Ask yourself, what guru does that? You buy courses for them, they never even answer you. They use AI chatbots. There is no personal support. If you want to have stress-free life, travel, make money online, I'm not promising you again you're going to make millions, like lots of these courses online. No, but you can make sustainable $10,000 to $30,000 per month if you take this serious, if you have 3 to 4 hours per week. Okay, 3 to 4 hours per week, is it worth it to make 10 to 30 grand per month? Ask yourself. Okay, again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, share it, okay? But reach out to me one-on-one only if you're serious. If you don't have any money to invest in yourself, do not reach out to me because I don't want to waste your time, okay? So if you're really serious, if you want to make income, let me know and make something happen.